Hey guys, February is over. We're done with it. It's over. It's gone. It's in the books. February 2021. Dunzo. So, we got some stuff done. We didn't get other things done, but we had a good time doing it, and that's what counts. No, seriously, we got 90% of Chapter 4 done this month, which is awesome. Chapters can take anywhere from like 5 months to 6 months for us to complete, so getting all of that done within a month is amazing. We still have some art we need to do. It's a half chapter, so it's not as long as our normal chapters, but it's going to be great. I think it's going to be awesome to be able to complete the story, do good for our Kickstarters, and then be able to focus full-time on other projects. With that, this month we had some extra time because of how chapters get built. There's certain things we're waiting on, certain things that kind of delay us and stop us, and so it's kind of work, and then okay, well, we got to wait for this, and then work again. But some of the other cool things that we got to play with, I actually got into 3D modeling, which was really fun and exciting, and get to build new models and new ideas and concepts for potentially dice to come out for maybe the Magic Dice Roller, maybe other apps. I don't know. It's something that I always wanted to get into doing, but kind of was delayed on it because it's not really my forte. It's not really something that I do all the time. But I think it's important to know those aspects as a game developer and as also a small team like we have. I also spent some time working on multiplayer. It's just a proof of concept for the Magic Dice Roller to see how we can roll multiple sets of dice from different people, have them collide, and have a solution which is capable of rolling out to you guys without breaking the bank. It's really important that we, watch our costs because everything we do, there are forms of costs associated with it. But we want to be able to give you some really cool features and push ourselves to the next level. If this works, it opens up the world of all kinds of multiplayer, games that we can do, apps, dice rolling, bringing that experience to you guys, I think will be great. Dungeon Dice Siege new experience. We're seeing that people aren't engaging with Dungeon Dice Siege in the way that we'd like. A lot of them are actually dropping off on the first couple levels, some of them not even finishing the first level, and that's all just kind of tutorial stuff. And we really want to be able to get people to play like the fun parts of Dungeon Dice Siege, which is player created levels. So we are trying to take the data that we have and we're trying to figure out how we can improve upon that data. So essentially our goal here is to be able to take what we're seeing happening and we're trying to make it so that more of the users make it to the fun parts of the game, because we think that's really going to showcase what the game's capable of doing. With that, we need to be able to figure out why users are dropping off. Okay, that was last month. What's going to happen this month? Well, March, it's my birthday month, but on top of that, we're going to definitely get Chapter 4 released. At least hopefully get Chapter 4 released. And then once that's complete, I feel very confident that we can get Steam out there and be done with Dice Tactics. That doesn't mean we'll be done with Dice Tactics. We'll always probably do something here or there. Maybe add more skins. We might add more content to it. We might spin it off. I don't know. We're still kind of talking about that. Dice Tactics has been such a fun project and so engaging that I think we will probably continue to try to do something with it. With that, we will continue doing the Dungeon Dice Siege new experience project, trying to figure out how to actually solve that problem and get people to really engage with that app. We'll probably have a multiplayer proof of concept completed with MDR and really be able to show that, it can work, or it's too much for us right now, or maybe we have to use different technologies. Right now we're using Photon or Pun2 as our multiplayer solution, and it works okay so far, but we still have some major problems that we have to overcome before we would actually have a good proof of concept. And then, continue to do some 3D models and show you guys silly, strange things with that. It's February update. Like always, subscribe, comment. It means the world to me to hear from you guys. It really helps, get our blood going, inspire us to continue to create. Have a good one. Bye.